Okay, scholars, it's me, Mr. Pravasti. I want to show you a couple things here, and you'll see that I have my email open, and I want to show you just how to download attachments when you get an email. The hat here is a feature of it being dress up as your favorite athlete day. So shout out to Mariano Rivera and Jackie Robinson before him. But here I have this guy, David Pravasti. I don't know who he is. I know Mr. Pravasti. Maybe they're related. Sent me an email and it has an attachment. So what do? I could download it. Problem is, if you download it to your Chromebook, it's going to go into a Google file and all that, and then we've got problems. Instead, it says save to OneDrive. So let's go ahead and do that. I save it to my OneDrive, and it takes a bit sometimes for that to happen. But when you do that, when you save it to OneDrive, it says saving, it's saved to attachments. So now I go up here and I click on this spot right here, and it shows me all of the different apps, and one of them is OneDrive. So I look in OneDrive, I open it up, and sure enough, once it's loaded, you'll see some of my files are there, and I have a number of different folders. But I remember that it was under attachments, so I go to attachments, and under attachments, there it is, document 11 that this infamous David Pravasti sent to me. I click on it, and there it is. And now you know just what to do when you have an email attachment and you want to access it at home or you want to access it here at school. Thanks for your attention.